agradecemos tu cooperación y comprensión durante este periodo sin precedentes. Es importante para tu desastre. De acuerdo a las recomendaciones de los CDC, solicitamos a los visitantes e integrantes de nuestro equipo cumplir con lo siguiente. Todos deben usar mascarilla durante su visita. Debes tener...
It's a really busy day here today at Universal Orlando Resort. Just made it inside of City Walk, and this is the crowd going in. We're going over to Universal Islands of Adventure today. There is something new right here though. Right in front of Cinnabon, like right next to it, they put up the sign for the brand new Universal Studios store. It's really cool to see. It hasn't opened just yet as there's some walls around it, but they did put up the sign for it. This is the other sign for the Universal Studios store. You have the main sign over there, another sign over there, then there's a sign over there, and they're still working on the store too. Seems like this is going to open really soon. Can't wait for that. Hey, what's up you guys? Good afternoon. Hope you're all doing well. Here today at Universal's Islands of Adventure. We're just in City Walk right now. We're just walking in towards Islands of Adventure. There's a lot of cool stuff going on. Velocicoaster is like getting more and more to completion. Like they've opened up, they put plant barriers around where the main entrance is supposed to be. And I heard that they were testing it, testing even more rather. So that's really exciting. Yeah, let's head on in. I love walking through City Walk, especially coming towards Islands of Adventure, because I get to pass Margaritaville and it plays really nice music. Same thing with the Lone Palm Airport Bar. Then right in front of me is going to be Islands of Adventure. Just got to scan our bands and we'll be ready to enjoy, well, we're ready to have an adventure. Almost ready. We're almost there to go in. And we've arrived inside of Universal's Islands of Adventure. The adventure begins, so let's go on and have our adventure. Every time I walk through the tunnel here at Islands of Adventure, I love seeing all like the little whimsical stuff that they have. Like, it looks like a bustling market town. That's so cool. Like all like the hidden things, like the fudge sign moving, the windmill up there, like the water feature. Oh, I just love the atmosphere here, you guys. There is a permanent Christmas store here too, at Islands of Adventure. It's like on your right from the entrance. It's called Port of Entry Christmas. Christmas every day here at Port of Entry Christmas Shop. I wonder how they get these poinsettias to stay red all the time, because right now they would usually be changing into green leaves. That's really cool. Okay, well we're going on Dr. Seuss's side. You can see the Hulk. But that's not what we came here for. We're going on the Dr. Seuss side, then towards Harry Potter, so we can get a better view of Velocicoaster's testing. And while I was walking in, I just saw it, like one of the cars going up the big loop. So that's really cool to see. Making our way into Seuss Landing. I just love the water features they have everywhere here at the parks though. This way too makes elegance cool. Alright, let's head on in through Dr. Seuss Land. Seuss Landing. I keep calling it Dr. Seuss Land for some reason. Oh, and remember, safety advisory for wearing your masks. Alright, let's keep walking. This way, that way. It seems like it was from Meet and Greet. Or remember the book I Ran the Zoo?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. And they have to stick the kind of everything there.
In this quick service, you can get green eggs and ham, tater tots, and hoo hash. The crowd is rather heavy through like the main walkway for Dr. Seuss Land, so we're going to be taking the shortcut around green eggs and ham. Really nice in the back here. It's like nice and quiet too, and you can see the track for one of the rides here, McElligot's Pool. Zach's bypass. Wondrow's star-off contraption up ahead, it says. Let's see if we can catch a. Let's see if we can get a view of Velocicoaster from here. Hopefully, it's gonna run again. Oh, there it goes. Oh, that's insane. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Ooh. I already feel my stomach turning at that. Whoa! You're gonna lose your lunch on that. Alright, we're leaving Dr. Seuss Land. We're heading towards the Lost Continent now. Then we should be able to go through Harry Potter and Jurassic Park and see an even better view of Velocicoaster. Oh, the ducks? Yeah, there they are. Swimming away. There's fish down here. Look at them, there's fish.
Oh, yeah.
Those are really big fish.
Looks like tilapia.
It does. Right, ready to go? Alright, let's head on in. There's a socially distanced meet and greet for King Julian here. It's like right next to Mythos. I know. Let's see. Poseidon's Fury is still closed. Hopefully this will be reopening really soon.
For the health and safety of everyone.
Yeah,
Face
here.
coverings must be worn at all
Still
times.
closed. Temple is
Covering
sealed.
your nose
All
and
tours
mouth,
suspended.
Except when actively eating.
They made a little cut through here in between like Lost Continent. You can go over through now and you can see better testing of Velocicoaster. This track is really long, it seems, for Velocicoaster. Oh wow. Here it comes. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh. That looks gnarly. Running quite frequently, the test for Velocicoaster. Oh wow though. Oh my god, this is something you're definitely gonna lose your lunch on. There is a plant barrier right there, and above that is a sign for Velocicoaster. Ooh, okay, this means it's gonna open really soon then. Let's see if I can get a shot of the big hill here, because that's really cool looking. It does say it's supposed to open in summer of this year, so ooh, fingers crossed. Here it comes. You can hear all the brakes. They also did unveil the raptor statues. Here is one, and here is the other for Velocicoaster. Really, really, really cool stuff. Can't wait to see this thing open. Oh man, I wonder how opening day is gonna be. Velocicoaster Summer 2021. And it just leads to the area that we were just at. Pizza Predatoria has a lineup. Everywhere is busy for food here at Universal, and probably because it's really close to lunchtime too. More testings of the inner workings for Velocicoaster. Oh wow. Seems like that is going to be the launch for it, like right down there. Let's wait for it. Is it gonna come back? Yeah, it is. Oh, that goes faster. That goes faster. Oh my gosh, okay. More footage of of Velocicoaster. This is from the paddock side. All here was closed just a few weeks ago. Now it's open. Yeah, they took down the like the wood coverings they had on the panels here. Now it is open. Would be really nice to go on Jurassic Park River Adventure right now. Today, so hot, but line is really long, and it's not time to use the express pass yet. Nice view from the quick service Harry Potter. You can see like Velocicoaster going around. Pick up some drinks here at Moose Juice Goose Juice. They're doing a book reading here of The Cat in the Hat. It's right next to the circus tent and the Carousel ABC ride. So that concludes my trip here at Universal Studios today, guys. Well, Islands of Adventure. Just a really quick trip. Wanted to show you guys Velocicoaster. We're heading home now because it's really hot out today. It's like, it's at 87 with a real feel of like 92. So that's where we're going to be heading home. Hope you guys all enjoyed this video regardless, and I hope you guys got to see a lot more footage of Velocicoasters. So try to get a lot of like the different angles and different footage for you guys. So hope you enjoyed that. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. Oh, and before I do finish, I got Starbucks on the way out. This is a green tea frappuccino. It's really hot, which is why I got it. I ended up getting it. I also got some water too, that's in my backpack. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. That means a lot to me, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel yet, please be sure to hit the red subscribe button down below alongside the bell icon so you guys never miss an upload from me. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment down below, and share this video with your friends and family. Remember to be kind, stay humble, and God bless. I love and appreciate you all from the bottom of my heart, and I'll see you all real soon.
Universal Orlando Resort. Here's some important information for your visit. In accordance with CE